Hi fifth graders. Well, I'm gone today, but you guys are going to be designing your dream homes. You're going to be able to design it however you want, and you're going to be drawing a floor plan for it. Now, a floor plan is what an architect and a contractor and a client all look at to see what a building is going to look like. It's basically, if you were going to take a building and you cut a line through it at about 4 feet high, it's everything you would see if you look straight down. So you're going to see walls, you're going to see windows, you're going to see doors, you're going to see furniture, just about anything that you're going to put in the house, toilets and sinks, so that everybody knows where it's going to go. Now, your dream home can be totally realistic, where it makes complete sense, or it could be out of this world. It could have a lazy river going from one room to the next. It could be a jungle gym. It could be in a tree. So it's whatever you want it to be. You're also going to be able to design the inside and the outside, which would be more what a landscape architect would design. So let's get started. Now, a floor plan basically is going to show you the rooms. You're going to show how you're going to get into the house. You're going to show maybe the backyard a little bit or the back porch. When I am designing, I kind of draw a bubble diagram and I say, okay, I'm going to go in the entry. Now you're going to maybe see this really lightly. And then I'm gonna want maybe a dining room and a kitchen. And then I'm gonna have a few bedrooms over here like this. Building is mostly gonna have public spaces like a kitchen and a dining room and a family room. And then it's gonna have private spaces like the bedrooms. So if you have people over, they're gonna stay over here in mostly this part of the house. But then the family, they're gonna stay away from the private part of the house. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and draw in a pen, but you're gonna wanna probably draw it in pencil just to make sure that you, if you mess up, you can erase it. Okay, so I'll draw my outside walls first. So that might be the front door. And then you typically line up your walls so this might be my kitchen back in here and my eat-in dining, so that when you have your structure, when you're building it, that there's a beam going this whole way like this. Doesn't have to be like that, but typically that's how you would build a house, is you would line things up. So I might have a wall back here and then a wall up here, and I'm just drawing that very outside wall for now. Okay, like that. And you don't really have to measure with the ruler, but it really helps to kind of give it straight lines like this. I'm having trouble picking up my ruler. Also, you could draw your garage too. So I might have my garage over here and then go into my dining room and pantry and kitchen, that way. So, and then I might line up these walls. This one wouldn't be as important unless I had a covered patio right over here. If I had a covered patio and there's something above, you always just draw a dashed line like that. And I could use my ruler for that too. I'm gonna have mostly of an open floor plan. If I have stairs going up into my house, then I would draw them. Maybe they go the whole way like this, and that would be the landing. And then I would draw my stairs down like this. And then anytime something is going up, you can go ahead and draw an arrow like this so people know that it goes up. And then I might have my garage. So you're just going to draw where rooms are for now. And then this might be my kitchen, but I have a little bit of a doorway if they want to go into the dining room and then the kitchen. Maybe it's a little bit more open than this. And then once you've kind of got your walls where you think that you want them, you can make them thicker like this. Now I could use my ruler or I can just use my hand, but for me, my hand is faster. And we might go ahead and make this a closet. So we have like a pantry and a place to store dishes if we need to, maybe laundry. And so once you've kind of added in, you've got everything where you want it, you can also add in doors. Now a door, it depends on which way it swings. If it's gonna swing in, you're gonna show the way the door hits, and then you're going to go ahead and draw a swing so that you can make sure that there's nothing in the way. So I might draw the door and the swing. Also, you know, I said that we draw the thickness of the walls. The outside walls are gonna be thicker than the inside walls. So I'll go ahead and draw some thick walls. But if I wanted windows on either side of these, I would go ahead and draw a line in the middle. So that's kind of like the window casing, and then this is the window pane right here. So I could draw windows on either side like this. Now over here, I want lots of doors. I want you to be able to walk out and go out on the veranda. And so I would draw my door swings like that. I could do triple doors if I wanted to be able to open the whole thing, or I could just go ahead and draw in. So there's my wall. I could go ahead and draw in some more windows over here like this. So it's gonna feel very open and airy with large windows. If I wanted to draw a fireplace, so say I have a wall in the middle right here, and this is where you go into this hallway for a bedroom. I didn't really draw my bedrooms, but if I drew my bedrooms like this, and maybe they are sharing a bathroom right in here. It's a very narrow bathroom, but you get the idea. And then this would be my master, and maybe there's another bathroom for them here, and a closet, and then this is the bedroom. Then I could have a thick wall right here, and it turns into a fireplace. So if I cut a line through this room, you would see the fireplace right in here. And this might be where I put the TV. So it's gonna be thick because it's gonna be stone all around. So I'm gonna show it dark because when I cut through it, it looks like brick. And then in this room, I might also have a couch. So I might draw the couch like this. And so when I'm looking down at the couch, I'm gonna see the back of the couch. I'm gonna see the armrests, and then I might see the cushions like that. I might have a coffee table in the center, and then maybe I have a chair sitting to the side like this, and maybe another chair sitting to the side like this. I just have to be careful when the doors are open. The doors probably should go this way, so when you're running out, you can just swing out. If this was my dining room, then I might have a table, and I'd have some chairs sitting at the table like this. And then if this were my kitchen in here, I would have counters around my kitchen like this. Maybe this is the vent or the stove, and you see the stove like that. Maybe this is where the sink is, and you've got to be able to look out a window when you are at the sink. I'll even have a faucet and the knobs. And then maybe this is a huge island in the middle of my kitchen, and you can sit at my island on stools like this. And then you have to think about maybe there's some doors going out, and some more windows all in that kitchen so it's nice and bright. Oh, I can see it already. So once you've kind of decided where things are going to go in your house, you can just think of all kinds of ideas of what can be done. And then don't forget to label your rooms. So this is my garage and dining, kitchen, living. Oh, I have room in here. Maybe I do something in here like a little card table or something. Then I do master, and I do bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, and then bathroom and master bath, like that. So you all have fun, and I can't wait to see what you guys have designed when I get back.